Go Mining App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how complex crypto mining becomes once electricity and hardware costs are involved. Omining promises a simpler path in 2025, but is it worth the risk? Omining is a crypto mining platform that allows users to earn Bitcoin rewards through digital miner NFTs backed by real-world mining operations. Users don't manage hardware directly. One major pro is accessibility. Beginners can participate without technical knowledge. The surprising truth is that abstraction lowers barriers, but increases trust dependency. However, most people get this wrong by assuming guaranteed profits. Crypto mining returns fluctuate with Bitcoin prices, mining difficulty, and fees. Transparency is improving, but risks remain. In conclusion, Go Mining may appeal to crypto enthusiasts who understand volatility. It's not passive income, but for informed users, it offers an alternative way to engage with mining in 2025.